Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Microsoft is announcing Windows 11 Insider Preview build version 22621.2191. In this video we will see what exactly this build version will bring to your PC. The first feature or the first capability that this version will have is that HDR background support. You can now set GXR files to be your desktop background, and if you have an HDR display, they will render in full HDR. Let me show you how you can do that. For example, if you have an GXR file and you want that to be your background picture, I'll show you how you can do that. First of all, you click with the right of the mouse over your desktop, and then you choose personalize, and then you choose background. And over here you should choose the picture option and you browse for the photos. And let me show you now if my computer is able to support GXR files. So here it is, for example, this GXR file. I'll choose that picture and let's see how it will look, my background right now. And here we are, my background picture is changed and it's using now this GXR file. In order to check which version you have on your PC, and if you already have this version, you have to run WinVersion, and then you will see over there which version is running on your PC, which in my case is exactly this build version that is installed, which is Windows 11 23H2, and the build version is this one with the number 22631.2191. Let's move on to the next changes that this build version will bring to your PC. With this build version, Microsoft is introducing new natural voices in French, Portuguese, English, German, and Korean that allow narrator users to comfortably browse the web, read and write mail, and do more. So if you open now the narrator, you will have the possibility to add those native languages on your PC. It's pretty easy to do that. Once you open the narrator, you just click over install now, and then you will be able to install those new narrator languages. Another thing that is changed is regarding never combined mode for the taskbar. So basically, in a previous release of Microsoft, which was again on the Windows Insider program, you had the possibility to use the never combine taskbar icon. But now Microsoft is saying that actually this feature or this setting was not working properly, so they disabled that. Here it is. You can find on the Windows website regarding this details, and the link I'll put on the description below, where you can find exactly what Microsoft has changed or improved on this new release. We really hope that Microsoft will bring as soon as possible the never combine icons, because we really need it as we had on Windows 10. I don't know why it's taking so long to make this fully available for everyone. Windows Explorer is also affected from this new release and new change. One of these changes is regarding the context menu. So if we select a file and we click with the right of the mouse, and then you will see the share option on the context menu. Here we are. Microsoft is again giving issues on this release. We'll see which kind of issues actually this release of Microsoft is having, which as we can see, it's showing right now some of the issues. All right, let me show you once again. Let's go back to this file. So let's go inside of this file and we select this one and we click with the right of the mouse once again, and here we are. The share is now on the context menu for a file that you may want to share. Another thing that is changed, or another improvement regarding Windows Explorer, is about the details options on the right. So if you activate this option here, and I talked about this on another video which was regarding Windows 11 23H2, and the link for that you can find on the description below, where I have explained some of the new features that are involved on Windows 11 23H2, and one of those, it is regarding the details option over here on the right. As we can see now, Microsoft is adding more details over here, because at the beginning it was just some basic details, but now it's showing more information like date modified, frame rate, etc, etc. Also for the drives, we can find more information on the details. By just selecting the drive, you'll see the total size, you'll see the file system, you'll see if the BitLocker is activated or not. So you see all the details without the need to click with the right of the mouse and go over properties, but you see all those on the right, and it's really helpful because you will not need to go too deep to the settings to find out the information that you may need. As expected, Microsoft is also fixing many issues with this new release, and one of them is the issues which are related with the File Explorer, which was crashing when navigating to home, as well as some other issues causing crashes. But as we see, it's not also too fast, and we can see that actually Microsoft still needs to do some more work regarding the Windows Explorer and the home button here. They also fixed an issue where after refreshing home, actions to pin and unpin favorite might not work. So you can check if that is fixed or not, but according to Microsoft, now actions to pin and unpin favorite files will work after this new release. They fixed an issue where home and gallery could get stuck in the wrong colors if they were open when changing between light and dark mode. They fixed an issue which was causing File Explorer to show working on it on an empty folder, and they fixed an issue which was causing Explorer to crash when trying to access an FTP address. They have fixed many other issues, but I'm not gonna go too deep on that because maybe you were not affected from these problems or issues of Microsoft on Windows 11. But unfortunately, this release, of course, will come also with some of more issues, but that's why Microsoft will release another one next time. So they are fixing taskbar because right now it is having some issues which was causing the safely remove hardware icon to not appear when expected in the system tray. They are fixing again issues related with the narrator, which is having again some more issues. File Explorer, obviously it's having also some issues. Anyway, that's why we will have next time another big list like this one with the fixes of Microsoft on the next release. But stay tuned and I will tell you more regarding these releases and these new changes and improvements of Microsoft, which will affect obviously your PC. Thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel if you like our content. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.